Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show us how to make this scrunchie and this one. So they're all different sizes, but this is what I'm going to be doing for us today. So we need this long strip of fabric. So this is 27 inches by 4 inches, so 27 by 4 inches. And then we also need an elastic band. So I'm using this wide half an inch elastic band. Most time people tend to use a small one, but I'm going to be using this half an inch elastic band and this, and let's get started. So we're going to sew this the short edges first, 1/4 of an inch sewing allowance, back stitch it or back tack it, and then I would open it up like this. You can decide to iron it or just hand press it, and then I will sandwich this in place, and I will put this like this. Next thing I'll do is I'll take the elastic, push it in. Okay, so I've just passed it through, and I'll just stitch this down. If it was the small elastic, you could just tie it, but because this is quite big, it's going to be too bulky if we tie it. So I'm just going to stitch it in a few times. That's 200,000 times. Trim the edges so it's nice and steady. Mama. And then I'm just going to start bringing it out from the right side. Okay, so I'm just going to, different ways you can close the stitch. You can either slip stitch it, you can hand sew it, but because I want this to be nice and quick, I'm just going to sew this on my sewing machine as close to the edge as possible so it's nice and neat when it's finished. So that is the finished result. Just going to move it around nicely. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. So you can just leave it on your hand, you can put it on your hair, and it goes nicely with that I made before. So make sure to check out my channel on how I made this tote bag, and I've just made a matching scrunchie as well with it. And let me know what you think about this. If you've got a question, any comments, leave that in the comment section down below. And if you like the content of this video, I'm going to be doing more DIY videos. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I would see you in the next one. Take care guys. Bye.